Hello everyone, welcome to our demo of WILMA AI, our sales support chatbot, an agentic AI-powered chatbot designed as a sales and technical support assistant. Our solution bridges the gap between customers, e-commerce workflow, and live agents by providing smart conversational support directly integrated into our back-end systems. In this demo, we'll cover how the chatbot was designed and implemented, the integrations we created with our Wildix PBX and WooCommerce store, a walkthrough of the actual chatbot experience, and finally the functions added to handle product search, order creation, and live agent handover. My name is Abigail and we are from the foppex team. Recently, we integrated WILMA AI into our parent company's website at chatbot.com and online store shop.achaba.com. The problem we wanted to solve was simple but impactful. Customers often need quick answers when shopping online, whether that's about product availability, placing an order, or getting technical support. But there were two main challenges for us. First, traditional chatbots are static, keyword-based, and limited. They can't really understand natural questions or provide accurate, real-time answers. Second, we served English and Turkish-speaking customers. That meant we always had to make sure support was fast and accurate in two languages, which wasn't easy to manage. As we asked ourselves, what if we could implement an AI-powered assistant that understands natural language, pulls real-time product data, creates orders, and escalates seamlessly to human agents when needed? That's the vision behind this project. We'll show you how this assistant has transformed the way we serve customers in multiple languages. To start, we implemented the chatbot on top of our Wildix WMS backend. We designed the system so the chatbot isn't a generic model. It has custom instructions tailored for our business context. These instructions define how the bot should behave, how it should respond to customers, and what functions it can call when specific requests are made. This ensures the assistant is aligned with both sales workflow and technical support process, delivering more than just surface-level conversation. Next, we needed the chatbot to connect directly into our WooCommerce store. To make this possible, we created a custom API that acts as a bridge. This API enables the chatbot to fetch product data from WooCommerce, process new orders directly from the chat, handle customer requests in real time without requiring them to leave the conversation. This integration is what transformed the chatbot from being just informative to being transactional and action-oriented. Let me show you how this works. When a customer goes to achaba.com, they can click the live chat icon to start a new conversation with WILMA AI. She greets the customer immediately and speaks both Turkish and English so they can interact in their preferred language. Once signed in, the customer can ask for a specific product. Do you have the Wildix RW Air-based sync? WILMA AI queries the shop database and responds that it's currently out of stock.
We have Wildix RW Airbase Sync Plus, but it is currently out of stock. Would you like me to suggest alternatives?
The customer inquires about another product. Do you have the Wildix WPBX hardware? WILMA AI queries the database via the API and replies.
Yes, we have Wildix WPBX hardware in stock. The price is $765 excluding VAT. Would you like to order it?
The customer can place their order directly through the chat. WILMA collects the billing details, shipping information, and the desired quantity. Once these details are received, she asks the customer to confirm the order information for any errors. After confirmation, she processes the order adds VAT based on the provided address, and immediately sends an order confirmation to the customer's email. Everything is completed quickly and easily in just a few steps. WILMA can also provide product features as seen. And if at any point the customer prefers to speak to a human, she can seamlessly transfer the chat to one of the available agents.
I have connected you to a human agent for further discussion on the features. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Once an agent is connected, we have access to the previous conversation, so we can continue interacting with the customer smoothly. This works in Turkish as well. On shop.akçaba.com, a Turkish customer asks WILMA AI for a recommendation of an analog phone. WILMA suggests gigaset analog phone models, providing prices and a brief overview of the product specifications in Turkish. She then asks whether the customer would like more details about the product, recommendations for other brands, or if they would like to place an order for one of the suggested models. The customer chooses one of the recommended products, and WILMA AI collects the necessary details. Once all the required information is received and confirmed, she processes the order and immediately sends an order confirmation email. It's important to note that every confirmation email is also sent to our sales team, so we can follow up when necessary and no information is lost. That's not all. WILMA can also handle common support issues. For example, a customer asked how to register their Farnville phone to their Wildix PBX. WILMA guided the customer step by step and asked if further help was needed. Instead, the customer decided to order a Farnville phone, requested the price, and asked to be transferred to a sales agent to complete the purchase. WILMA provided the requested information.
The Fanvil X3S phone is available with 3 units in stock. Priced at $57 each, I am transferring you to a sales agent now to process your order. Please hold on a moment.
And instantly transferred the customer to one of the available agents. All this is quick, simple, and easy. Our instructions for WILMA are very structured to ensure consistent, high-quality responses. Firstly, WILMA's primary roles include acting as a knowledge assistant for PBX and telephony systems, troubleshooting issues systematically from phone registration to call quality or network issues, escalating unresolved problems to a human support agent when needed, staying up to date with vendor updates to maintain accurate knowledge, assisting users with product inquiries and purchases from our online shop at shop.akçaba.com. To ensure WILMA works effectively, we provided a step-by-step troubleshooting flows. For example, for PBS registration issues, she will check SIP credentials, firewall settings, and NAT configurations. If the issue persists, she escalates to a human agent. Similar structured guidance exists for phones, analog devices, and specific PBS systems. WILMA also follows agentic workflows, which is proactive suggestions, monthly knowledge updates from vendor documentations, providing checklists for installation engineers. A key feature of WILMA is that our tech support team can consult her in real time while out in the field. For example, David from the technical support team was on a Dinstar GSM gateway installation job and reached out to WILMA AI for our standard operating procedure on installing a Dinstar GSM gateway. WILMA AI instantly replied with a step-by-step guide.
For installing a Dinstar GSM gateway, follow these steps.
She then guided David through the process and asked,
Would you like detailed guidance on any step?
David later asked for the checklist for a new PBS installation. WILMA AI provided it right away.
For a new PBX installation, follow this checklist.
Thank you, WILMA. These checklists are based on our step-by-step standard of operating procedures during installations. These ensure that installations and configurations are done consistently and efficiently, even when the staffs are working remotely or on site. We emphasize clarity and accessibility in her communication. WILMA avoids technical jargons unless necessary. She uses a friendly tone and can communicate in multiple languages. WILMA AI is available directly on our website through Kite integration. Kite allows us to embed the chatbot on our website, so customers or our own support engineers can access WILMA AI anytime without needing to install any extra tools. Since deploying WILMA AI, response time has dropped dramatically and customer satisfaction has improved. This has been beneficial to our team. How, you may ask? When we are out in the field, I need to check the availability of a product to recommend to a customer. Instead of going through the process of checking our database manually, we can ask WILMA AI and get a response almost instantly. What makes WILMA AI effective isn't just the chat itself, but it's the way it connects to our systems behind the scene and hands over the conversation to a human agent. 3 functions drive this. Instead of giving generic answers, WILMA AI can directly access our database. This means when customers ask about a specific product, she gives precise, up-to-date results straight from our system. Beyond the information, WILMA can take action. Once a customer decides, she guides them through the process and finalizes the order, turning a simple chat into a completed transaction. We all know that AI alone can't do everything. Sometimes a query is too complex or the customer just wants to talk to a person. That's where the handover function comes in. WILMA smoothly transfers the conversation to one of our live agents. From the customer side, it feels seamless. The agent picks up right where the chat left off without losing context or making the customer repeat themselves. Together, these functions make the difference between a chatbot that only talks and an assistant that actually gets the work done. This full circle demonstrates our chatbot's ability to handle sales, support, and escalate in one united flow. What makes this solution stand out in the combination of generative AI and operational integration? For customers, it means faster response, easy shopping, and better support experience. For businesses, it reduces workload for human agents, improves order accuracy, and ensures the support team only handles the most complex cases. By implementing this chatbot on our Wildix PBX and integrating directly with WooCommerce, we have created a solution that not only streamlines operation, but is also highly scalable, resilient, and simple to maintain. In conclusion, we have built a generative AI sales and support assistant that runs on our WMS backend, connects directly to our WooCommerce via a custom API, uses third-party functions for product search and order creation, seamlessly hands over conversation to live agents when needed. This project showcases how AI-driven automation can transform customer interaction, making them smarter, faster, and more reliable. WILMA AI has not only solved our internal challenges, but has also brought significant value to our company. In short, she is not just a chatbot, she's an intelligent co-worker. Thank you for watching.